Everyone! I haven't uploaded in a while, and I'm sorry for that. I just, haven't really been motivated that much, but I do have a couple of videos that I will be, uploading soon. I have a, capsule player roll unboxing from Highs of 40, and, Trackmaster 2, review. Today I'm just going to be uploading some footage of me trying to find the Digs and Discoveries engines. For example, like Gina and Lorenzo and Beppe. At one of the stores, I did find something pretty amazing, which I will do a review on soon enough. I hope you guys enjoy this little video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.